Today we'll learn to install your Willow infant car seat without the base. Secure the child in the car seat before installing. Place them rear-facing in the vehicle seat. Pull the vehicle belt out. Now route the lap portion under the belt guide and buckle. Make sure the belt isn't twisted. Next, wrap the shoulder belt around the seat and through the European belt guide on the back of the seat. Push down on the seat while removing all slack from the lap portion of the belt. Then remove slack from the shoulder strap. The carrier handle must be adjusted to a locked position for use in the vehicle. Britax recommends position 1 to help reduce rebound movement in the event of a crash. Happy travels!